I see a bald guy in an orange shirt. Patrick Keenest! I-O! I-O! It's just a little hill, it's not a big deal. Think of the beer! Think of the beer!
Sweaty, man!
Don't die, okay?
No way! Not until after the Michigan game!
You guys are doing a great job.
Thank you.